Just 3 steps. Even those who don't know editing can easily edit here. So watch the video till the end, otherwise you won't understand anything. So let's not waste any more time and start the video. So first you will download the PicsArt app from the Play Store. Jesa app. Then the photo you want to edit, you will share it into the PicsArt app. So here I am sharing it. Today we will do the editing in very simple steps. So watch the video till the end, otherwise you won't be able to learn many things. First click on tools. After that you will see the stretch option here. Click on this option. Now zoom in on the photo, and as you can see I am lifting the hair upwards here. One side is pulled down. So this option is best for hair editing. Then click OK. Save the photo here. Then click close here. Go back and save it to your drive. So now click on the plus sign here to add a background. I have given the link in the description. By clicking there you will get unlimited backgrounds. You can download them very easily. As you can see I have taken the background. Next find the add photo option here. As you can see add photo is here, so click on it. Now select the photo you edited, then click on add. Now adjust the photo a bit, resize it as you want, big or small, and place it as you like. Here you can see there are 2 options. With one click we will remove the background here. For that first click on the rubber here. So I am clicking on the rubber here. Then first turn on your phone's internet. Now you will see the select option. Click on it. Then click on the first option, person. As you can see with one click the background is removed. If the background is not removed properly, you can go back from here. Now click on the photo once. Then click on remove BG. Click on remove background. Now you can see the background is removed in full HD quality. Now so here the background is removed very nicely. Then click OK. If you want you can do further editing in Lightroom or Snapchat, but I don't want to edit here. Then click here. Then save it to your gallery please. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it so I can bring you new and stylish tutorials for you to try.
So see you again with another new video. Everyone take care.